Hello, and today we make flowers from modeling paste. This is background color that I'm using, and I use strong canvas to carry the weight. Now I'm using an old notebook cover to do my stencil. Mark the flowers I want to cut and then cut it with this knife. You can always use any type of cutting knife, but I find this one easier to use. I cut the flowers. I use a cheap modeling paste that I found in an art shop close to my house. There are better ones, but for this, what I'm doing at the moment, you don't need a very expensive one. My work is not very precise. The reason is I don't care. If you want, you can make very, very smooth flowers. Now I color the background, which got dirty. I choose the color palette that I want to use, put it on a piece of paper because it's easier later to throw. Using my stencil, I also color the flowers because it's easier this way. Of course, you don't have to use it, but I think it's cleaner to use the stencil. You need to worry less, and it's easier. Now, my flowers are not supposed to look real. They look like this intentionally. If you want, you can use a picture of flower and try to do a real flower. Mine is mostly demonstrations for you, and I chose the easiest way to do it. Now, as you can see, the edges are white where the height of the flower is. So I'm using a different kind of blue and purple to make the flower pop out. So I'm using the stencil first, and then I saw that it's really hard to do it with a stencil, with the inside of the stencil. So I stopped using it and I did it without. Now for a while you'll see me doing the background with different shades of blue and purple. Easy. Now at the moment it looks like it's not completely blending to the background, but after it dries and after you do the varnish at the end, it is looking, as you could see, great. It's very important not to leave any white of the modeling paste, that you won't be able to see any of the white. Okay, now I decided it's too dark and added some more round circles. Now, of course, you can do it at the beginning, add circles, add any other shape that you want. I'm using the white paper underneath because the circles are really close. Now this artwork is actually a base which later you can make it your own, add whatever shapes you want. I'm just showing you the technique and you take it to your place, do with it, give it your style. This is a basic idea that you can take far, far away with your imagination, using your talent and imagination. Again, to the round shapes I make background purple, blue, and places that I see that it's not interesting enough for the flowers, I'm adding some more. It's a star flowers, it's in between stars and flowers. It's very important if the shapes, the circles or the flowers get dirty with the background color, immediately clean it, because after it dries it's really hard to clean it. And most likely you will have to color on top of it. Okay. Canvas varnish, very important. It protects the color and makes it all shine and nice. From here you can take it to your place. As I said, you can do with Sharpie details of the flowers. You can glue stones. Thank you for watching. See you next video.